A new executive order could significantly change the retirement landscape for millions of Americans with 401k plans. According to the whitehouse.gov website, the order directs the Department of Labor to revisit its rules around what retirement investors can access inside their plans. Specifically, alternative assets like private equity, real estate, and even digital assets. Right now, most of the 90 million Americans participating in employer-sponsored defined contribution plans are limited to traditional investments, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Traditionally, 401k plans haven't allowed direct investment in real estate because of ERISA laws. ERISA stands for the Employment Retirement Income Security Act of 1974. That rule requires fiduciaries to keep retirement plans diversified, liquid, and easy to value. Real estate is harder to manage, less liquid, and riskier for employers who could face lawsuits if investments go bad. Instead, most 401ks limit savers to stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, with some indirect real estate exposure available through REITs, or real estate investment trusts. For those who want direct property ownership, the typical route is a self-directed IRA. According to the White House, the goal is to open the door to more diversified investment options, similar to what wealthy investors and government pension funds already enjoy. The administration argues that alternative assets can offer competitive returns and provide important diversification, which could help workers build stronger, more secure retirements. The executive order instructs the Labor Department to clarify fiduciary responsibilities when offering these types of investments, and to work with the Treasury and the SEC on regulatory changes. The SEC is also being asked to facilitate access by adjusting its own rules. President Trump has also emphasized digital assets, saying he wants to make the U.S. the crypto capital of the world. This move comes alongside his broader economic agenda, which includes tax cuts and deregulation aimed at boosting retirement savings and wealth-building opportunities. But of course, there are risks. Alternative assets can be less liquid, more complex, and sometimes carry higher fees. That's why fiduciary guidance will be critical to ensure retirement savers are protected while still having access to broader opportunities. For investors, this could be a huge shift. If implemented, it means 401k plans may soon include real estate funds, private equity vehicles, or even crypto allocations. These are all options that, until now, have been off limits to most Americans saving for retirement. If you want to invest in real estate and you haven't already, it's imperative that you get yourself educated. That's what we provide at Real Wealth. We have over 500 free webinars, and it's free to join, to help you on your journey on becoming a sophisticated real estate investor. To find out more, just go to newsforinvestors.com. That's newsforinvestors.com.